Hello everyone, my name is Joset and I'm the designer of the Cute and Whimsical collection for Elizabeth Craft Designs. In this video I'd like to introduce my newest release, Meet the Cats. I'm super excited to show you this release because I think it turned out really fun. As you might know, we already have the mice, the dog, and people were asking for a cat. So yeah, I'm really excited for this release. I will turn the camera around and show you what's included. So the Meet the Cats release includes 5 dies and 1 stamp set. And here you can see the first die set, so the cats, 2370. And here you can see all the different type of cats you can make. And there are more. I have seen our design team already creating some fabulous ones, but these are the ones that I did here. You can see all the different pieces, hair pieces, different type of mouth, nose pieces. It's a big die set, and here you can see all the dies, also different tails, and different face pieces. A really fun set. The second die set is the 2371 cat accessories. Well, when I think of a cat, you know, he's laying in his little bed. There's a mice crawling over the floor, and a fish. And a fish bowl, so I thought that was cute. Some toys in the set, a feeding bowl, some food, a can of tuna, and then his collar. So that's really cute. And the set here is there. Then the 2372 cat clothing accessories. We did have that with the dog as well. So I definitely think the cat needed some fun clothing pieces to dress him up. Got the lady here and the kind of the sport outfit. We have a sweater, a jacket, and a hoodie. The 2372 cat clothing accessories. And here you can see the die pieces. Then we have, oh, here it is, the 2373, the cat scratching pole. I thought it would be really nice to add that because cats love their scratching pole. So that's a bit of a smaller set. Really nice, that one. And then the last die set is the 2374 surprise box. This is something I had in mind too, you see, in movies, like dogs or cats crawling out of the box for a surprise. This is obviously a moving box, but you can make a gift box too if you die cut it from different paper. And then it comes with the balloons, the different heads, and the blower. And here are all the pieces. Love this one. And then we have one stamp set, the CS459 cat sentiments. So a whole collection of fun sentiments to combine with the dies. Life is better with a cat. You make all 9 lives worth living. Congrats on your new fur baby. Have a perfect day. Who rescued who? You see, really fun. So those were all the dies and the stamp set. And now I will show some beautiful samples. I have some samples from our design team member, Joset, from the Netherlands. Here she used the surprise box, another birthday, you gotta be kidding me. Really pretty, love how she has the leg hanging over the box. Another one, what a beautiful background here, you gotta be kidding me, another birthday. Here she used the same sentiments, love this. the paws over the box, peeking out. So fun. You are the cat's meow. Here she used one of the clothing accessories, the fish, some fish bones, the balloon. Very pretty. Love this one, this little lady dressed up. And the cat scratching pose, really nice. Life is better with a cat. Here she used the walking cat. Beautiful. And some of the accessories in the set. The ball of wool, or yarn I should say. Have a perfect day. Ah, what a cutie. What a cutie is that. Really nice. Another beautiful one with the side table and the food. You make all my lives worth living. Home is where my cat is. And again, another different face piece and the little tongue also in the set. It makes it really cute. The cat bed, the little mouse there. You're my person. Beautiful jacket here from the clothing set. So lucky to have a friend like you. Really fun with the cap. So those are some beautiful samples from Joset. And then I have some more samples here from Anita. Here she used the cat scratching post. I love how she positioned the cat. Scratching the post, really pretty. Life is better with a cat. Well, it sure is. I just got a cat and I adore her. She is so fun. Really cute, all the accessories. And this one, love that, how she positioned the cat. She is climbing the beautiful branches. Really nice. Congrats on your new fur baby. Super fun for birth cards. Beautiful. And a black cat. Beautiful tag here. Another one. Gorgeous, all the colors that she used. And this one with the different colors on the face, and she closed the eyelids halfway there. Really beautiful samples. So this was my new release, Meet the Cats. 5 beautiful dies and 1 stamp set. I really hope you like this collection. It was sure fun to create it, as always. And I think people are gonna love this release. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.